nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Judging left, twisted right. You've got me so hypnotized.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So I haven't filmed in a while, not since Friday, because lots has gone on. The stress is real. So I decided to do a look today. Something slight and simple, not too hectic and not too crazy. So enough talking, let's get started. The first palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe 15T. This is their Your True Selfie palette. They have a couple of these, and they're all Morphe 15T, but then they have different names. So this is the Your True Selfie palette, and I can never get this thing open. And then we gotta cover it with a face mask so I don't blind anybody, because my ring light is bright. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And the first color I'm going to be using is called Woke Up Like This. This one right here. Gonna put that all over the lid. Now the second shade I'm going to be using is this one right here called Relationship Goals, and I kind of like it. It's like a deep purple. It's not black. It's a very deep purple. It's not black at all. I thought it was black when I first opened it, but it's like a deep purple. It looks brown on the back of my hand, but it's a deep purple. Now, I don't know why I didn't mention it before, I guess because I was so focused on the blending, but the reason why I got red here is because the one side of this brush, not on both sides, just one side, I took the shade Morphe Babe, which is this one right here, so that it could blend together. I don't know why I didn't say that before I did it, but that's what I was doing. Now I have to go into my trusty Prism palette, and the shade I'm going to use is, I don't know if I want to use Saturn or if I want to use Pyramid, because then if I use Saturn I can use High Ho, but then if I use Pyramid I won't need to use High Ho. I think we're gonna go with Pyramid, which is this gold shade right here. And yeah, I've decided I'm gonna use that instead of Saturn, which was the corally shade. Now, as you can see, I did everything else off camera, except for the lower lash line. I did lashes, foundation, Comet water, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go back into the Prism palette, and the shade that I was going to put on my lid but didn't, it's going to go on my lower lash line. So we're going to take Saturn, which is this one right here, and just pop that on my lower lash line real quick. People outside in my hallway right now are so loud. Hopefully this camera doesn't pick it up because they are real. I don't know what is going on out there, but they are so loud. Like, I hear bags, I hear boxes, but no talking, which is a little weird. And now they're stumping. And for lip, I'm going to do my favorite combination. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, my arm. Random spruce? Whatever. My favorite combination, which is the Karuchi and ColourPop Brown Sugar Series, the shade Cinnamon, the lipstick, and the Bretman Rock and ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Dukes. And this is the finished look. Curled my hair, obviously. I added Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Trophy Wave to the Cupid's bow. And that's about it. And I sprayed my face with the ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray. I don't know why these curls, like, they're combining together and it's throwing me off. It's one big curl and I don't like that. This side is cute, this one. Anyway, that is it for this look. Again, this is just something, you know, because usually I film on Saturday, then I didn't film on Saturday, then I didn't film yesterday. Because my mental state was not there. It's somewhere else. It's still not there all the way, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes. But I like how this came out. I wasn't expecting it to be this cute. It's a lot of power in that Prism palette. A lot of power. A lot of power in that Morphe palette too. Anyway, that's it. That's all for this video. I'll see you all maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then on Wednesday. Bye.